Fill in the blanks. The sum and the product of any two whole numbers is a whole number, because 2 into 2 is 4 whole number, 2 plus 2 is 4, any. If A and B are any two whole numbers and B is less than A, then B minus A is not a. See this, 3 is less than 5, then 3 minus 5 equals to minus 2. It's not defined for you at 6th standard, but it is not a whole number. Product of a whole number and 0 is, that is of course 0. 3 into 0 is 0. You can download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. You can get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. This is a separate paid version. You can follow us on Facebook on this link. You can WhatsApp on this number for any query related to purchases. We have separate video for tables and squares. Kindly learn and sing after that through that video on a daily basis so that you can learn the tables and squares by heart. Keep studying, keep watching.